Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating a polished, professional Facebook business page. Let's elevate your online presence with precision and style. Log in with your Facebook account once you have created it. First, navigate to the menu tab and click on the prominent Create Page button. This is where your brand journey begins. Provide your page name and select a category that aligns with your offerings. Next, craft a compelling bio that speaks volumes about your business. Your first impression matters. Now, let's establish your contact and location details. This is crucial for customers looking to connect with you. Set up your business hours, ensuring you're always accessible. Choosing the right profile picture and cover photo is pivotal. These visuals embody your brand essence. Next, select an action button that resonates with your audience. In this case, let's streamline communication with the send message option. Consider connecting your WhatsApp account for seamless interaction. And here's a pro tip: enabling promotional emails amplifies your reach. With these steps completed, you've successfully created your business page on Facebook. But we're not done yet. Edit your About information by clicking here on the relevant section. We can set desired price range by choosing the price range option from here, currently set as unspecified. Access your page by clicking here on your profile picture. Manage your page by navigating to the Manage tab from here, offering various management options, like linking your social media accounts, such as Instagram and WhatsApp, conveniently from here. Preview your page by selecting View As to see how your content appears to others. Promote your page by inviting friends to view and like it using the invitation feature from here. For ongoing expert guidance on maximizing your online presence and boosting business, contact jovisocial.com. Let's take your business to new heights together. Don't forget to subscribe to the Jovi Social YouTube channel for more insightful videos. Let's grow your business together. Thank you for watching.